Hasn't done this in a while. Yes. Boom! She's dead.
Hi, Penny. Hey, I'm Jazzy, apparently.
What color remote do you have?
Doesn't matter. It's who's number one and who's number two.
Kami, you should be Jazz. I mean,
Jason.
or Kami's doing it perfect and you're not.
No, I'm Jazzy. She's not moving. How can she be doing it perfect?
Well, you're not doing much.
That's knocked it out perfectly.
You did that last time when I didn't video anything.
Yeah, no evidence.
Ooh. And there she goes. I really hope no one heard that. She's dead. Boom, boom, boom. None of y'all are doing it right.